Open! Okay, are you ready?
Put it inside your bag.
Let's count. How many donuts do you have? One.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Six.
And the topic content.
Oh, do you want to
Is your
put?
hands clean?
Do you want to put your chocolate first?
Yes.
Oh, nasa sweet naman ng ating eating alcohol to you.
Yung donut ang lalagyan mo, anak.
Okay, are you ready? There.
Kaya pala gusto niya maglagay ngayon sa bahay.
Not,
Kung ano-ano.
not too much, Margaret. Not too much.
Wasted.
Make it round and round. Go back and round and round. Okay.
Okay, all done.
Here you go. Are you ready to put
Now
the
it
sprinkles?
has a topping of sprinkles.
I like mallows.
Oh my God, taste that.
Mama likes mallows.
Kasi tingnan mo, mommy, ngayon. May gustong-gusto siyang i-draw. May family daw.
Malamang lagi may kargang baby yan.
Yes, Daddy. Palaging may baby.
Lagi. Ngayon ang bago niya.
Saan mo ba niya napanood yun, Maria?
It's Margaret. Today we're doing a family with 2 children.
Anak, i-use spoon. Hindi ating yan.
Can I add? Can I add?
Ate ka will add.
Ayun, add. Go, go, go.
You want to help
Plenty
Ate?
of marshmallows.
Get marshmallow.
Your turn.
Tapos kahapon po, mommy. Bago naman. Ano naman daw? Superhero naman daw.
Ay, mga superhero
Oo.
naman ngayon. Oh, yan.
Tapos
Yun ang bago
power
yan.
daw. Power.
Go.
So maya-maya, gagawa daw.
Let's eat. You pray muna. Go. Let's eat. Margaret, you pray muna. Let's eat.
Oh, and then,
Bless us, O Lord. Very good. Oh, let's try.